Hi everyone, this is Roanne from Simple Cookery, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple garlic naan bread. Let's get into it.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real.
To start, you want to combine a cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Now, I usually like mixing it in with a spoon first so it doesn't get too messy, but the main step is really kneading the dough until it becomes more of an elasticy type of texture. If you find that it's too stiff, just add a little bit more Greek yogurt, and if it's too soft, just sprinkle a bit more flour. The next step is to break the dough into smaller portions so it can be rolled out. Now, the shape and size is completely up to you, but I usually like to make it into smaller portions so it's easier to flip when it comes time to cooking. Once it's all rolled out, just leave that to the side while we work on our garlic butter. While you leave the dough on the side, it's time to melt about a tablespoon of salted butter and add in that garlic. I like to use garlic paste just to keep it simple, but you can try using fresh garlic as well. Now you want to turn your pan to a medium heat and add in the naan bread. Make sure you don't add any oil at this stage. Right now, you should just be putting the naan bread on the pan and see it rise and become quite fluffy. After around 2 minutes, it's time to turn it over. Once you're 100% sure it's cooked and it's golden on both sides, it's time to brush on that butter and garlic. Once you've added a generous amount of butter and garlic, it's time to turn it over. But remember, at this stage you have to be really quick. Only leave around 5 or 10 seconds to seal in the flavor, then turn it back around to do the same on the other side. And there you have it, garlic naan bread. Enjoy!
Okay, so there you have it. It's our garlic naan bread. You want to try?
Oh yeah, definitely. Been looking forward to it.
Pretty good?
Yeah. I love the texture. I love how crispy it is outside, and then it's a bit soft inside as well.
I think the main thing is when you're cooking the garlic naan bread, make sure you flip it quickly when you've got the garlic on so it doesn't get burnt. So if you like this recipe, just click like and subscribe and be here for more recipes.
Bye bye.
Bye!
That's it. Good job.
Yeah.